In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets. Checkboxes are a simple way to track tasks, mark items as done, or drive formulas based on yes or no choices. They're fast to set up, easy to use, and they play nicely with the rest of your spreadsheet data. Start by choosing where you want the checkboxes to live. Many people begin in A2, so the header in row 1 stays clean, but you can pick any column and any range that makes sense for your sheet. Click and drag to highlight the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. If you need an entire column, selecting the column header works too. And if you're working with separate areas, you can hold your modifier key to select multiple ranges. The key is to highlight everything before inserting the boxes so they're added all at once. With the range selected, go to the top menu, click Insert, and then choose Checkbox. Instantly, every selected cell becomes a clickable box. This doesn't replace your data structure, it simply adds an on or off switch inside each cell that you can use with filters, summaries, or simple visual tracking. Once your checkboxes are in, try clicking one. A checked box represents true, and an unchecked box represents false. Behind the scenes, those are actual Boolean values, which means formulas can reference them directly. For example, a summary cell can count how many boxes are checked by looking for true, or calculate progress as a percentage of checked items. If you ever wonder what value a checkbox is producing, look up at the formula bar while selecting the cell, and you'll see true or false reflected there. Checkboxes are easy to interact with. Click to toggle them on or off, or select a cell and use the spacebar if you prefer keyboard navigation. You can copy and paste a checkbox to other cells and fill down or across so you don't have to repeat the insertion step. They behave like normal cell contents, so clearing a cell removes its checkbox, and undo works if you change your mind. A few quick notes to keep things tidy. If your checkboxes look small, remember they scale with the cell's font size. Also, because they output true or false, they're great partners for conditional formatting and filters that look for those values. And if you started in A2, your header in row 1 can hold a label like done or complete to make the column's purpose clear. That's it. Select the cells, insert the checkboxes, and toggle them as true or false. It's a small feature that unlocks a lot of flexibility in Google Sheets.